Hello, my dear children. I'm your teacher, Teacher Nadia Javed. I'm again here in front of you with a new letter and with a new sound. So, my dear, how are you? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear children, first we will sing a poem. So, then we will guess what we are going to do today, right? So, sing with me. If you are sitting, stand up everyone and sing with me a poem. Okay, you will do actions, right? So you will make, put your hand like this and sing with me, and one hand with at your back. The elephant says inwards, inwards, inwards. The elephant says inwards. It belongs to Mr. E. Yes, I know you guessed that. What we are going to do? Today we are going to learn a new sound. 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 What is the action of this sound? Sound. Sound. You know, Addy elephant is a very, very beautiful and a huge character of Letterland. Huge, na? Did you see, have you ever seen an elephant? Yes, you have seen. You have seen in a zoo, I think so. So, have you seen, he has a trunk. He has a trunk like this. So, that's why we made this trunk and we sang a poem. The elephant says inwards, inwards, inwards. The elephant says inwards. It belongs to Mr. E. So the elephant says all the time what he says? So I have a beautiful story of the elephant. First you will subscribe my channel. My channel name is Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School, right? And like my video. My dear children, you will see, you will watch lesson by lesson my videos, and then you will know all the phonics, all the sounds which we have in English. So today I am going to introduce you a new character. His name is Addy Elephant. What is his name? Addy Elephant. So I am going to show you. Wow! Beautiful! Right? It's a beautiful. His name is Addy Elephant. What is his name? Addy Elephant. And Addy starts from sound, right? And elephant starts from sound. So his name is Addy Elephant. And see, my dear children, Addy Elephant has a headband on his head. And when you have to write, you will draw it. You will draw it and then you stroke around his head. Right? Very nice. So, Addy Elephant has so many colors. It has color boxes. And what he is going to do? He will take the colors with his trunk. This is his trunk. And he take the colors and put color in egg. Very nice. Egg starts from sound. Addy Elephant starts from Addy with sound. Elephant starts from sound. And eggs start from sound. Very nice. You learn what is the sound. Sound is right? So, this is our character Addy Elephant. And Addy Elephant is very beautiful and it is very creative. He likes artwork, right? Now, this is again another elephant. It's a baby elephant, right? So, you have eyes? Yes, You have 2 eyes. I have also 2 eyes. So, I start from sound. I start from sound. So, I have I. 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 Elephant. Then in breakfast your mom gives you an egg. Yes, egg starts from sound. Egg starts from sound. See, this is an egg. So we will paste it here that you can see easily, right? This is an egg. So my dear children, have you ever traveled on a train? Yes. So you have been seen a train. So we have an engine. What is this? Engine. So engine starts from sound. Engine starts from sound. So this is an engine. Engine starts from sound. So, I have another engine. This is also a engine. A engine. This is also a engine. Yes. So, I have lot of vocabulary words for you. Which sound is this? Sound. Which sound is this? Sound. This is sound. So egg, eye, eagle. Yes. Have you ever seen eagle? Yes, I have seen. It's a very, very brave bird. It's a very, very nice bird. So, and this is our beautiful elephant. Yes, Addy elephant. Addy elephant. So we will just go through again. Elephant. Sorry. Egg. Eye. Eagle. Elephant. So we have so many words with sound. We have so many words with sound. So my dear children, this is your lesson with sound. What you have to learn today? Today you have learned sound. You have learned today sound. So my dear children, we will revise again its sound. Its sound is, this is sound, sound, and sound's poem is Addy elephant says in words, in words, in words. Addy elephant says in words. It belongs to Mr. E. Yes, and Addy elephant has so many eggs. 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 Elephant. Engine. Engine. Eye. So you have a vocabulary chart over here. We have a vocabulary chart over here. Egg. Eye. Eagle. Elephant. Right? So you can make a vocabulary chart in your homework, right? And how you have to write a sound? My dear children, first like my video, subscribe my channel, Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School. So look at the board carefully, how you have to write a sound. My dears, we have 4 lines. We have 4 lines. First you will count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 lines. So how we have to write a sound? We will not use the first line. We shall not use the last line. How we have to write a sound? Okay. Many people will teach you and have a conflict how they will write a sound. Some people say you easy in an easy way, beta draw a curve, then cut it. But this is wrong method. How you will write a sound? The writing discipline is that you will not take out your pen. You will not, okay, and you will continue how to write. Okay, first we will put a, for you, I'm going to put dots on these middle 2 lines. Then I will tell you, you have to start from the middle. Where? From middle, you have to start from the middle. You will make a bar, then go up, then make a round. This is a sound. Again, see, you will start from here like this. This is a sound, right? So, again you can see, start from here, go up and make a round. This is a sound, right? So, this is your lesson. You already learned a apple, any apple, bonsiban, cat, and dippy duck. So, what is this? This is elephant. Which character is this? Elephant. So, elephant says all the time So, egg, elephant, engine, eye, eagle. So, we learn lot of words with a sound, and you learn a sound with its poem. So, my dear children, thank you very much to be with me, and I request you watch my all videos, like my videos, subscribe my channel and promote my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.